Once upon a time in the quaint village of Chandampur, nestled amidst rolling hills and lush greenery, lived a young boy named Raj. His days were filled with simple joys, and his most cherished possession was a vibrant, handmade kite that he had crafted with care. One windy afternoon, the village was buzzing with excitement as children, including Raj, rushed to the open fields to fly their kites. The sky was a canvas of colors, kites dancing in the breeze. Raj's kite soared gracefully, responding to his expert maneuvers. Laughter filled the air as he engaged in friendly battles with other children. However, as the wind picked up its pace, disaster struck. A sudden gust snatched Raj's beloved kite from his grasp, spiraling it high into the sky and out of sight. A gasp escaped Raj's lips as he watched his cherished creation disappear into the vast unknown. Determined not to let his precious kite be lost forever, Raj set off on a quest to retrieve it. The villagers, hearing of his misfortune, offered words of encouragement and support. With a makeshift map drawn by the village elder, Raj ventured into the fields, guided by the wind's whispers and the warmth of the sun on his face. His journey was not without challenges. Raj encountered thorny bushes, crossed bubbling streams, and faced the mischievous antics of playful monkeys. Yet, he pressed on, fueled by the hope of reuniting with his lost kite. As the day unfolded, Raj's perseverance bore fruit. He stumbled upon a group of helpful neighbors who joined him in his quest. Together, they navigated the terrain, exchanging stories and laughter, creating a bond that would last a lifetime. Finally, after a series of adventures, Raj's keen eyes spotted a flash of color high up in a tree. There, entangled in the branches, was his vibrant kite. With the help of his newfound friends, they worked together to free the kite, and as it gently fluttered down, cheers erupted among the group. The sun began its descent, casting a warm glow over the triumphant scene. Raj clutched his rescued kite, gratitude in his heart for the kindness of others and the strength of his own determination. The village celebrated Raj's resilience that evening, gathering for a feast under the starlit sky. And so, in the small village of Chandampur, the tale of Raj and his lost kite became a story of community, friendship, and the unwavering spirit that turns challenges into triumphs. The colorful threads of the kite now symbolize not only Raj's resilience but also the interconnectedness of the village that made every day a memorable adventure.